Getting in breaking news now on the live report of the vaccination process for all adults in the city of Mumbai. The civic body has just responded. Getting in some breaking news now that the BMC in Mumbai, that is the civic body, the world's richest civic body, now saying that they will not vaccinate at government centers, no vaccination at government centers between the ages of 18 and 45 years. In view of the immunization of registered citizens above the age of 18 years starting the 1st of May, the vaccinated persons between the age of 18 and 45, so those between 18 and 45 will be vaccinated at immunization centers in private hospitals in Mumbai. Vaccination between 18 and 45 at private centers, private hospitals in Mumbai. Only those above the age of 45 will be vaccinated at the 63 government vaccination centers in Mumbai. Registered citizens between the ages of 18 and 45 will not be vaccinated there. Why has this decision been taken, Yesha, and what does it mean? If those between 18 and 45 will be vaccinated at private hospitals, will they still have to pay? Or is it completely free like the state announced?
So what we're trying to understand here is, let's understand the timeline of why this decision has been taken. Before this, the BMC commissioner had himself said that there are enough vaccination available for people to be vaccinated across the city. But now what has really happened was, yesterday they were contemplating whether a vaccination drive should happen or not for those between the age of 18 to 45, which is why a meeting was held to understand this entire process. Today, however, they've made this announcement that those between the age of 18 and 45 will be vaccinated, but only at private centers and not at government. Only people above the age of 45 will be vaccinated at government centers, that is 63 government centers in Mumbai. Now what we've seen is, over the last few days, even though vaccines have been coming in, they're not in enough supply, as a result of which there's lesser stock available, be it private hospitals or government hospitals for that matter. And there's always been a case wherein at the private hospitals, people have to pay rupees 250 for the vaccination drive to be conducted. Whereas in government hospitals, it is for free where the vaccination takes place. But in the last 1.5 weeks, what we've seen is, since there's not enough vaccination available in Mumbai, there is a limited amount of vaccines which arrive, and as a result of which, by afternoon, most of the centers run dry. Also, we've seen huge queues outside public vaccination centers, the government vaccination centers, be it the BKC Jumbo COVID Center or other centers, be it NESCO or, for that matter, Rajawadi Hospital at Ghatkopar also. On the other hand, private hospitals have constantly mentioned that they do not have enough vaccines, which is why they are only having a limited number of stock. As a result of which, there'll be a hurdle which will be created going further, because while the central government has already announced that the vaccination can begin for those above the age of 18, right now, since considering that there is not enough stock available with the BMC, which is why this decision has been taken, wherein those between the age of 18 to 45 will be vaccinated at private centers only. As a result of which, there will be more than 270 centers that will be set up for the vaccination drive, because at the current rate, there cannot be vaccination being carried out for such a huge population, because there will be almost 70 to 80% of the population of Mumbai which will now get vaccinated from May 1. Yes.
Thank you for joining us with those inputs. Another breaking news update, Yesha, that we're getting from the city of Mumbai is that 4,014 cases have been recorded in the last 24 hours, 59 deaths reported in the city of Mumbai. Thank you for joining us.